Lord Mephiston is living proof of the victory that awaits. He emerged from the throes of the cursed Sane of Mind and whole of body. He is hope enough.
You are as a naive aspirant if you believe that monster to be our salvation. Mephiston is an abomination, a wraith who should be clad in armor as dark as his soul.
The remarks sent a tide of discord washing through the chamber, drawing cries of sanction and outcry in equal measure. And yet, he does not butcher with the same abandon as your flesh-tearers, Malakim of the Lamenters sneered. Even those you deem fit to wear crimson make the butchers of my death company seem sane by comparison. Seth growled, allowing his anger to get the better of him. And what would you know of battle, Lamenter? Look at you, yellow in a room of red, a coward in a sea of blood. Malakim Foros serves as the chapter master of the Lamenters during the era Indomitus, exuding an aura of grief, bitterness, and hatred as a result of his tortured tenure. This veteran of many wars would be harried by misfortune, as is the curse of his genetic line. Nonetheless revered by his subjects as an awe-inspiring presence, each battle brother of the Lamenters is willing to charge headfirst into impossible odds in the name of their liege, with no thought for their own survival. Constantly battling the gene curse, which calls with enticements of bloodlust, the saintly visage of Malakim belies a warrior of indomitable will. The call of the Black Rage staved off during the most perilous campaigns of his chapter's service. Surviving the Battle of the Space Hulk, Unhallowed Heart, Rebellion of the Badab War, despite his believed death upon the battle barge, Daughter of Tempests, and penitent crusade of his chapter, dwindled by the ravages of the Second Tyrannic War. Believed to have been slain during the Battle of Optera during 908.M41, Malakim regardless would reunite with his sanguinary kindred during the trial of Gabriel Seth following the Flesh Terror's deployment to Armageddon. Refusing to surrender to the gene flaw coursing within his veins, nor allow his chapter to perish in ignominy. With the reinforcement of Primaris Space Marines to their ranks, time will tell if Malakim shall cross the Rubicon Primaris or submit to the rage inherent in his blood.